Hi, my name is Sharon O'Dwyer. I'm a nutritional therapist. What I want to address very briefly today is the question is, when is water not enough for our training? And the general rule of thumb is that up to about an hour of exercise, water should be enough. Really important though that we go into that training session or gentle exercise or whatever it is at whatever intensity, fully hydrated. Really, really important for all activity. So up to 60 minutes, water is probably enough. Anything after that, again, very much depends on the sport, the duration, the intensity. So there's going to be a big difference between an hour and a half of gentle yoga versus an hour of more than an hour of a conditioning or high intensity training or a gym session. So you have to look at those factors, but you could consider anything over an hour a sports drink. And we're looking at generally an isotonic sports drinks, which are mainly the ones that are available on the market. Or you can make your own, which a simple recipe can be half and half of fruit juice to water. And if you're sweating a lot, and feel you're not drinking enough, then you could add a quarter teaspoon of sodium, or 200 mils of maybe a fruit squash added to 800 mils of water. Again, adding a pinch of sodium if it's more, especially if it's more than 2 hours. So that's really all I have to say. So it depends on the intensity, but anything under an hour, water is fine. Anything over it, start considering a sports drink, and it depends on the person. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you.